I'm not. You're ridiculous.
Yeah, you have a good night too, lady. What's going on, everybody? Canada Cop Watch. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope everybody's staying safe. Hope everybody's doing their thing, your families, everybody, man. I hope everybody's good. I just wanted to thank you guys for coming through. Thank you guys for showing love. Just thank you guys for your continued support. Today we're gonna watch a little video. This is something that I filmed not too long ago, probably 3 months ago, 4 months ago, something like that. But it was a car crash, you know? And you could tell by the aftermath of this crash, they weren't going no 40, or they're supposed to go 40 in this area. And you could just tell by the aftermath that they were going a lot faster than they were supposed to go. You know what I mean? And it's just a reminder. It's just a reminder to, even though you think you're a good driver, you could be the best driver, but if there's some maniac that's barreling through the intersection, there's nothing you could do. You know what I mean? Chances are one of these people were driving properly and the other one was just on some maniac shit. So it's just a reminder, man, just to drive properly, and even more important than that is stay alert from your surroundings, because you're one person, but you got hundreds or thousands of people around you. So make sure you're always staying alert when you're driving, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna get into the video. Most of it's just the aftermath and the scene. As always, I stay quiet until I'm approached. If they approach me or anybody approaches me, I'll respond. Depending on their energy, you're gonna see we could have a polite conversation, or sometimes it gets weird, you know what I mean? But it's all on the approach. And that's another lesson in this video, is just treat people with respect. And whether you understand what they're doing or you don't understand what they're doing, sometimes if you feel you really have to, ask them. You know what I mean? But don't assume that they're on some weird bullshit and just approach them on some weird bullshit, because a lot of the times the reaction and the response is going to be some bullshit. You know, you get what you give in life. And that's a lesson for everybody. But yeah, let's get into it. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Helps the channel. Right now I'm demonetized, so you know how the algorithms work. I just need you guys to hit them like buttons, share in your community posts, comment. Just get it out there, man. Let's get right into it. Canada Cop Watch. Shout out to this guy for taking pictures. Shout out to that guy filming in public. Shout out to firemen too, man. That's one job right there. A different kind of work to run in the flames, man. Hats off to them guys all day. There's actually a fireman in this video that I had an interaction with before. And he doesn't say nothing to me in the video, but you could tell he remembers me. But he did better. Like last time he walked up and he basically told me stop filming. And I was like, what? What are you talking about, bro? And again, I respect firemen to the fullest, man. I respect the work that they do. But they also have to keep in mind when they're approaching citizens, just treat us with respect. And you already got our respect, you know? You already got our respect. Just give it back when you're talking to us. I get that you might not understand when we're filming your work and all of this, but you're going to understand it. You guys are going to eventually understand, and we mean no harm. We're not out here to do nobody bad, and we're just documenting them. This is him coming up right here, actually. You're going to see him when I cross the street. Wow, the bald man. He looks like Mr. Clean. I call him Mr. Clean, but no disrespect again, man. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the day. 'Cause, uh, These guys are heroes at the end of the Wow, look at that crash. That's what I'm saying. Stay alert when you're driving. Always be alert. Head on, it looks like. I wonder if the girl sitting down was the driver in that, or maybe in the other car. They were talking about me for sure here. They're all looking at me. I don't know what they were saying. Probably wasn't nothing good. Like, oh, it's Canada Cop Watch. Make sure you subscribe. Go like his channel. That's what they were saying. Yeah. Sick when they say that. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, share your community posts. I appreciate you guys, man. Crazy seeing the whole intersection. There's debris everywhere. I'm surprised they didn't have it blocked off like more than they do. I remember Mr. Clean from the Palma Court fire. Wow. Sand on the ground, I'm pretty sure that's for the gasoline leaking out. Flammable right by the gas station. Debris everywhere. Wow. I hope everybody's okay. I hope they're all right. Oh, she ducked behind the bus. She ducked. Why? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. There's so many cameras around. Like, she's gonna be ducking and hiding under the bus and jumping on the bus and running in the bus and behind the seats. Like, look at all the cameras. And then she gets in the bus and there's more cameras. And on the cops, there's more cameras. And in people's hands, there's more cameras. And on the streetlights, there's more cameras. And at the stores, there's more cameras. Like,
what setting do I use on the top to get?
Do you want to get a video setting?
Yeah.
Here's the video.
Mm-hmm.
The best thing to do is hold your phone sideways.
This way.
Yeah.
But
And
the
press
setting,
record.
yeah, the setting up here, yeah, it's just the center button, right?
Yeah, so you'll
Yeah.
press this. This is just to change like the lighting,
Okay,
stuff
so
like
in
that.
order to change the light, what do you have it on? Like,
This is iPhone, so they're different phones, but
okay, yours is such a clear picture. I
Yeah.
think it makes a difference on how you hold it. If you tilt it slightly.
yeah, you always want to hold it sideways. If you're taking a picture, hold it upwards,
Right.
like a
And
skinny screen, and if you want video, hold it sideways like this.
Thank you. That helps.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm so new to this.
No problem. We're all catching up with technology always,
Yeah,
right?
Tell me about it. Every day there's something new.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
What happened here, do you suppose?
Just it looks like a very bad accident.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure who was in fault or if anyone was injured.
I see the guy waving and showing the car.
Yeah.
Crash didn't happen. So somebody must have done a
Yeah.
or must have made a turn.
Something happened that shouldn't have for sure. I just hope everybody's all right.
I hope so too.
Very dangerous, that's for sure. Shows you the danger of driving for sure.
There's a lot of
This both are the most, it has a spring.
Yeah,
That's why, because our damages,
yeah.
like it's more than I think it's over 80.
Exactly. There's no way that they were going 40 with
No,
these.
it's not, no, it's not. It's
No.
not.
no, they're
40,
usually
40 is not gonna be happen like that.
Yeah, it's impossible.
and here
Because
it's
we had the
really-
same accident exactly as 40,
Yeah.
not that damage.
Not even close.
Not even close, it's just a little bit damage.
Yeah, probably 80 to 100, I think.
Yeah, you know what they do, right? Last minute, they want to run that amber and they step
Yeah.
on it.
Yeah. Oh, this guy's going right over the curb. Look at that, he drove right over the sidewalk.
Flashing like this, I'm like, oh yeah, there's a problem. I'm not gonna be able to get through. I turned around quickly, right, and went into the mall. So I'm okay that way. I could go down south.
Same thing. I was just driving by and seeing it.
Yeah, I can go down south and then go to where I come back out that way.
Yeah. There's a lot of ways to get around the intersection. Luckily.
It is. Not.
There always has to be one. You guys drive on cameras all day, right?
Ridiculous.
Yeah, you have a good night too, lady.